This is Billy. Say hi, Billy. Billy is a hard-working young man. From morning until night, Billy slaves away at his job and studies. He is also captain of his football team. He even finds time to volunteer at his local library. Unfortunately, his commitment to his community has led him to fall short of his domestic responsibilities. Isn't that right, Billy? Luckily, we have the solution for people just like you, Billy. Simply download the Our Home application, and in just one click, one of our experienced members will be arriving at your door. Well, what are you waiting for, Billy? Get the door! Now Billy can go about his duties without anyone ever thinking he's a bloody, stinking, filthy, disgusting, degenerate slob. Just kidding, Billy. Our home, where a happy home is just a click away.